Adandibo, aka HBBT, Beauty Brains and Talent. Baby, hear me fegi, Okomuna yogi, Oloma chuku na gozi, Nogi na rugi, they choke. I wanna be the only one that you calling darling. What a woman got to do to call you my boo?
Shake somebody. Welcome. Come and shake me. Come and shake me. Welcome. Yeah. Hello. You're looking so beautiful. Go ahead now. Go ahead now.
Mama, you too much.
But for a million years, the way you move. Boy, I like the way you move. The move. Boy, I like the way you hold my waist. You dey hold my waist. You dey scream to my name. You dey hold my waist. Boy, I love the way you hold my waist. Hey, I love the way you hold my waist. Hey, come on, in the building. Okwamuna yogi. Oh, what a woman got to do to call you my boo-boo. The way you move.
What's up now? I put the charge now. See, you're still full out. Everybody wants to blow. But I don't have to show for why they run now? You don't get more followers. You don't make sure they're not posting. Everybody now.
Nice and bright.
Yeah.